Ever wondered if your body is trying to tell you something? Are there signs to watch out for when it craves more nutrients? Well, nutrients are the building blocks of life, essential for maintaining a healthy body. They fuel our bodies, aid in growth, and help in repair and disease prevention. Interestingly, our body has a unique way of communicating its needs. It sends out certain signs and symptoms when it's in dire need of more nutrients. Stay tuned as we delve into the 11 signs that your body is begging for more nutrients. First up on our list of signals is persistent fatigue. Now, we all have those days where we feel a little more worn out than usual, but if you're constantly feeling tired and drained, it could be your body's way of telling you it's lacking in essential nutrients. Specifically, iron and vitamin B12 deficiencies can be the culprit behind your constant yawning. Moving on to our second sign, poor skin health. If your skin is dry, itchy, or prone to breakouts, it might be crying out for nutrients like vitamins A, C, and E. These vitamins are known for their role in maintaining skin health, and a deficiency can lead to various skin issues. Lastly, we have brittle nails. If your nails are weak, breaking easily, or have noticeable ridges, it might be due to a lack of biotin, iron, or zinc. These nutrients are vital for nail health and strength, but don't rush to conclusions just yet. There's more to learn. Moving forward, the fourth sign to watch out for is hair loss. Hair loss can be an alarming symptom, often indicating a lack of essential nutrients like iron, zinc, and proteins. If you're shedding more than usual, your body might be trying to tell you something. Next up, we have mouth ulcers, the fifth sign. Recurring mouth ulcers can be a symptom of deficiencies in iron, B vitamins, and other nutrients. If you often find yourself dealing with these pesky sores, it's time to reassess your diet. The sixth sign is bleeding gums. This can be a sign of vitamin C deficiency. Vitamin C is vital for maintaining the health of your gums and overall oral hygiene. Lastly, for this segment, we have slow healing of wounds as the seventh sign. Wounds taking longer to heal could be a sign of a deficiency in vitamins like C and K, as well as zinc and proteins. See how your body talks to you? But the list doesn't end here. Coming up next is the eighth sign, poor night vision. If you're struggling to see clearly in low light, your body might be running low on vitamin A. This essential nutrient plays a critical role in maintaining our eyes' health and improving low light vision. Moving on to the ninth sign, muscle cramps. Regular muscle cramps, particularly in your legs, can be a sign that you're lacking in potassium, calcium, or magnesium. These nutrients are vital for muscle function and nerve communication. The 10th sign takes us to random bruises. If you're bruising easily, it could mean your body is in need of vitamin C or K. These nutrients are crucial for blood clotting and wound healing. Lastly, if you're catching colds constantly, that's the 11th sign. This might indicate a deficiency in zinc or vitamin C, both of which are key for maintaining a strong immune system. And there you have it, the 11 signs your body may be screaming out for more nutrients. To recap, your body might be in need of more nutrients if you're experiencing any of these 11 signs. From constant fatigue to brittle nails, persistent hair loss, inexplicable weight changes, and more are all indicators. These signs underline the importance of a balanced diet. It's our primary source of essential nutrients needed to maintain overall health. So don't underestimate the power of nourishing your body with variety. Remember, your body talks to you. Listen to it and nourish it well. Until next time, keep your health in check.